back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we are doing a really cool recipe. We're doing the Dirty Juicy Lucy. Very famous hamburger from Minneapolis. What's the history on that, Tori?
So it was said to be created by two different bars, the 5 and 8 Club and the Mass Bar, and it was made in the 1950s.
Wow, that's cool. All right, the recipe is really simple. You can do it two different ways that I have found. You can get, I like 80-20 hamburger. You can get regular hamburger, mix it up, make your own patties, and then do it, start it off that way. Or you can already get it pre-made, and since Dirt Man's kind of lazy and we're doing a bunch of videos today, I got some pre-packaged hamburgers. So we're gonna start off with 2 hockey puck hamburgers ready to go. And we're gonna use 2 different cheeses. We're gonna use the American cheese, and we're also gonna use, what is this again, Tori?
Colby Jack.
Colby Jack, because I like the Colby Jack cheese. So what's great about this recipe is you're gonna put the 2 hamburgers together with the cheese in the middle, and when you bite into this, the cheese is just gonna ooze out as you're eating. It's like a cheese volcano that's just absolutely really cool. Flavor of the Todd's dirt that we're gonna do on the inside and on the outside is really gonna make this taste amazing. So here we go. All right, we're gonna start by putting the original dirt on both sides of the hamburger. And press it in. Then I'm gonna flatten these out. Then we're going to take the American cheese and we're going to stack that up like that. We're going to break Colby in half. We're going to do this. Now this is my version. I don't want to hear from people from Minneapolis, hey, they don't use Colby Jack. I found that I like it better this way, so I'm making it the way I want to do it. So you can see we're just stacking this right on top. A little bit more. So now, look at that. So it's like a tower of cheese. And then we're gonna put this right on top. Lightly press this down. And here is the key on here. Now we need to tighten up the seams. So you wanna do is squeeze this all around the edges. Squeeze, squeeze. You don't want it to look like you have 2 hamburgers together. You want to look at it that it's just one hamburger. Nice. They're closed up. You can see me patting it around the corners, flattening it out. All right, I made 2 dirty Juicy Lucy's. So we're gonna do one on the Camp Chef griddle. The second one's gonna be on the grill. If you only have a frying pan, that'll work just perfectly fine also. So let's head on outside. All right, the Dirt Man's out here in his happy place here. We're gonna do the first one right here on the grill. And let's put this bad boy right on. Oh yeah, time to get dirty. Now we're gonna turn it to get the grill marks on it. Close it back up for a couple minutes. Oh yeah, looking pretty. Turning that again. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna put the bun on. All right, so now we're gonna take the buns off. Just look at this hamburger. So basically what I've done, I kind of turned it every 3 to 4 minutes, then flipped it over. And here we go. Look at that. It is absolutely perfect. All right, so now it's done. I'm gonna cut this one open. Let's see what this bad boy looks like.
You can see the cheese on the knife.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, look at the ooze. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Perfect cheese bite every single time. That's what makes a Juicy Lucy so great. Oh yeah, listen to that sound. put the hamburger on. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. Alright, now we're gonna turn this a little bit more. So the nice crust on the bottom. Oh yeah. Look at that nice crust on the outside. Oh yeah. Alright, I put some buns on. We're just gonna finish steaming just the tail end of this. Putting that cover in there just to help it cook a little faster. Take this bad boy off. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how pretty that bad boy looks. Tomato. Oh, look at that bad boy. Look at that. It's so good. So please subscribe to all our videos. Tell all your friends and family all about getting dirty. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.